Hey, welcome YouTube. Welcome back to my beautiful channel, and I want to sincerely appreciate you guys for making one of my 2025 goal come to reality. One of my 2025 goal was to aim and get above 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel. And thankfully to you guys made it very possible. I am super grateful. I'm excited. For those of you that are with me in this journey to making it in Forex, right? I am sincerely grateful. And if you are still watching this video and you've not subscribed, I want you to subscribe, because this is where I document my life journey towards profitability and how I am able to scale through as a young growing Forex trader. If you know me very well, you know that I trade prop firms and I trade a little bit of small capitals, $100, $200 thereabout. But majorly, I trade prop firms, right? If you do not know what prop firms are, let me know in the comments below. So I would make a proper video about what these prop firms. I newly got this new funding company called Funding Pips, and I already bought a 5K account with them. I'm thinking about scaling up and trying to get more funding. You understand? Because one thing about growing capital is the more funded you are, the more you are easily going to accumulate more capital, right? If you are funded 50K into like 5 places, it means that you are funded over 200K, right? And if you're making 2% each of 200K, that's over $2,000, right? But just try to do the math. That's a lot of money. And I want to purchase a 50K. I want to purchase a 50K Funny Pips account. It's a two-step pro account where you pass the evaluation stage and enter through the funding stage. So join me as I purchase this account. Also, if you do not know how to use funding pips, this will be the perfect opportunity for you to learn how to use funding pips and probably get an account with them, because I'll be putting the link in the description below so you can get an account with funding pips and funded next too. Okay, without saying much, let's dive into the computer. This is the funding page, and this is what their UI is like, built by traders for traders. So they have one step account. They have a two-step account, 5K, and also funding pips pro, student, practitioner, and master. This student is the evaluation stage. It's phase 1. Then this one is the phase 2. This practitioner is the phase 2, and this master is the life funding phase. So I'm going to be getting the 50K account from of this funding pips pro option, and the 50K account costs about $219. And the profit target for phase 1 is $6,000. Sorry, it's 6%, which is $3,000. The maximum loss for this particular phase is about 6%, which is $3,000, same thing. And the maximum daily loss, this is very important. One thing you need to know is you need to know the maximum daily loss of the account you are getting. The maximum daily loss drawdown is about 3%. 3% of $3,000, that will give us like $1,500. And minimum trading days is just, if you can pass the whole account in one day, it's fine. It's just one trading day. And also when you get to phase 2, it's just similar, something similar. But the good thing about this whole thing and why I'm buying this 50K right now is because Funny Pips is giving 25% off. It's Black Friday sales, and they are giving 25% off for everybody that want to get account with them. So I'll be putting a link in the description below for you to get an account with them. So first, when you try to log in, you come in, create an account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in now. Verify. This is what the dashboard looks like. As you can see here, I bought 5K account. On this 5K account here, I'm already up about 3.4%. I'm already up about 3.4% on this 5K account. So far, I've not taken any trades today, but last month I took a couple of trades. Yeah, I took a couple of trades last month, just about a few trades, just to get to this particular one. And also you come to buy challenge. When you click on buy challenge, you come down here to Fundy Pips Pro two-step. I like buying using the two-step, right? And because basically the two steps are way cheaper. And click on the account size 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, and you put on the coupon code FP, apply. You see, it's giving me 25% off. Do you understand? So the initial amount was $219, but right now I'm getting $164 just to get this 50k account. That's like 25% off it already. So you can get any account size with this coupon code FP. This is a 10k account size. Initially it's supposed to be $55, but right now it's $41 for a 10k account size, right? You can just buy whatever one you want to get. So you come to payment. Let's see, FP. Come to payment, continue to payment, and the payment option I use is crypto, so I'm just going to click on crypto, Polygon. So I'm just going to make the payment right now. I'm just going to make the payment. So yeah, okay, the payment is confirmed now. The payment is confirmed, and I just got an email saying my account is ready. So if you come here, you see new account. This is the new account, 50k account. It's the account is ready, and I'm just going to log in and try to trade the account and see what this is for. So if you're watching this video to this extent and you're trying to get a Fundy Pips account, I'll put the link in the description below. Subscribe also, and why you get a Fundy Pips account with Fundy Pips, and also stay tuned to the YouTube channel because I'll be dropping more educational videos, and subsequently we roll together to 2026. Yeah, much love.